In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn in 2025, making sure you can surf the web securely and privately in just 5 minutes. Now, Nordvpn, as we know, is a leading VPN service provider known for its top-tier security and ease of use. Whether you're trying to protect sensitive data, access content from different regions, or simply maintain privacy online, this guide will walk you through setting it up on your Windows PC or laptop. First, let's open your favorite web browser and head over to Nordvpn's download page for Windows. You can simply search for Nordvpn download for Windows, or click the link that gets you to the official download site. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted with the familiar Nordvpn interface. Look for the download button prominently displayed on the page. It's usually not hard to find thanks to Nord's user-friendly design. Click on it to start downloading the Nordvpn setup file. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. With the file downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Double-click the downloaded setup file to initiate the installation process. You might encounter a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click Yes. The installation wizard will open, guiding you through the necessary steps. The process is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to install Nordvpn on your system. Once Nordvpn is installed, open the application. You'll be prompted to either log in or create a new account if you don't already have one. Assuming you have a subscription, enter your email and password associated with your Nordvpn account. If you're new to Nordvpn, you can sign up through their pricing page, selecting a plan that suits your needs. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Nordvpn dashboard. Now look for the Connect button or the Quick Connect icon, typically displayed prominently within the app. Clicking this will connect you to the fastest available server based on your current location. This feature is optimal for general browsing and quick access to VPN benefits. If you wish to connect to a server in a specific country to access region-locked content, simply navigate the server list to find and select your preferred location. With NordVPN connected, your internet connection is now encrypted and your browsing activities are secured from prying eyes. To verify the connection, NordVPN will usually display your new virtual IP address and the server location you are connected to. So there you have it, the essentials of using NordVPN in 2025. This setup ensures your online activities remain private and secure. Remember, using a VPN is crucial for safeguarding your digital footprint. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Enjoy your secure browsing.